Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're making Viennese Whirls. Let's begin. So just before we get into today's video, I wanted to say a massive thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Clicking the notification bell, then you'll be notified whenever I upload. To start this recipe off, you'll want to get a large mixing bowl of your choice. I'm using my stand mixer, but you can use whatever you've got. You will then want to place the butter and icing sugar into the mixing bowl and beat this on a medium-high speed until combined. So once they are combined, you will then want to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl along with the attachment that you use. So once you've got your bowl scraped down, you will then want to add in the first weight of flour and mix this in on a low to medium speed just until combined. So once your flour is incorporated, you will then want to scrape down the side and the bottom of your bowl along with your attachment. You can then add in your second weight of flour and mix this in over a low to medium speed until combined, being careful not to over mix it at this stage. So once the second lot of flour is incorporated, you can then scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl and your attachments. So to pipe these biscuits out, you'll need a piping tip. I'm using a 12mm star nozzle. You will then want to put the piping nozzle into a piping bag and fill the bag around halfway full with your biscuit dough. So if your dough seems a bit hard to pipe at first, don't worry, just use the heat from your hands to warm up the dough a little bit so it's easier to pipe. You'll then want to pipe out your biscuit dough onto a lined baking tray. I put some templates on there just so I knew the sizes roughly, but you don't have to do this. And once you've got them piped, you can then put them straight into the oven. I will leave all the baking times and temperatures in the description down below. So while you wait for them to bake, you can get your buttercream and jam ready by putting them into piping bags. So here are what the biscuits look like once they are removed from the oven. They don't colour very much, they might go a light golden brown around the edge. Once they've got to that stage and they are baked, you can then transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely. Otherwise the buttercream and jam will just seep out and look a mess. So turn over half of your biscuits and pipe on a small amount of the buttercream. So on top of the buttercream, you'll want to pipe a small amount of your jam. You can use whichever flavour you like. You will then want to take the other half of the biscuit and put it on top, applying a little bit of pressure just to secure it in place. And to finish, you'll just want to give these biscuits a light dusting of icing sugar, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video, so join me then. If you want to see some behind the scenes, follow me on Instagram as I do post on stories whenever I'm baking. So yeah, bye guys.